Hi guys, welcome to Aroma from Angel's Kitchen. Hope you guys are all doing good. This video is part 2 of the series Art and Craft Village, Pondicherry. In this shop they have handmade shell products. Here they have collected different shapes and sizes of shells and they have made them into beautiful art piece which can be kept as showpiece. They have shell keychain, earrings, flower vase, wall hangings, beautiful mirror, etc. You can also see them doing it live. In this shop they have wooden handmade products. They have walkers for toddlers, wooden wind chimes, wall hangings. They had a lot of other products which was carved. Some of the products were beautifully hand painted. Jewel box, small colorful toys, miniature vehicles like car, bus, etc. And a lot of other home decor products. In this shop they have a lot of artwork like paintings and drawings. They have highly talented people to do these artwork. They have done it so skillfully, it was looking very beautiful. You can also give a sample pictures and get it sketched or painted. In this shop they have handmade stone products made up of black stone, marble, granite, etc. They have carved the stone and made a lot of beautiful products like statues, small utensils, chain pendant, showpiece items, etc. This shop is handmade paper craft shop. Here they have a lot of photo frame, photo album, gift boxes, jewelry boxes, notebooks, diaries, bags, letter pad. They use recycled paper to make these products. This is a handloom shop. Here they do the weaving live. They have hammocks, doormat, table mat, rugs, bed sheets, yoga mat. They also do weaving of woolen stuff. In this shop they have handmade products made out of palm leaves. They have small colorful baskets, small pouches, bags, hat, hand fan, mat, etc. In this shop they have sculptures made out of terracotta. A lot of small toys, dolls, idols, statues, flower pots, etc. In this shop they have handmade jute products, different pouches, bags made up of jute and other cloth material as well. This is a pottery shop. Here they have a lot of clay products, right from very minute to big size products. They also have a lot of miniature stuff, flower pots, small bowls, flower vase, cooking utensils, plates, water jug. It's so amazing to see them do this pottery work. Here they give training for most of the handmade products. Those who are interested can get themselves enrolled and get trained from them. So the fees will differ based on the type of handcraft that we select. This is a very good initiative done by the government. We have to really support these local artisans. The only way to encourage them is to buy those handmade products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to keep this place in your bucket list when you're visiting Pondicherry. Please do subscribe to Aroma from Angel's Kitchen. Like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to watch part 3 of Pondicherry series. Thank you.